Welcome back with another nature channel. Today I am here fishing in a little stream in the woods. So I'm gonna get inside this tree down here and catch a nice fish. So I was feeling, I almost had something. How cool is that? Put it in myself. Already got a 10. Oh, yeah. I'm treating around my woods. Come on. I'm fishing. So I'm going to throw it in right here beside this tree. There we go. And wait for a tug. I have something. This is good. Right now. I'm going to try to get it again. See if I can catch something in my hand. I forgot about it. Hey guys, sorry I forgot about y'all. But yes, we're still fishing. Let me see if I can find a good area for this to face y'all. Oh, no, getting right here in the dirt. No. No, right here. Oh. First catch of the day is a stick. So before fishing,